What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi remote key fob. This Audi key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and there's another one like it right here. Push those both in at the same time and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that key to the side for now. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we hold our key fob like this, upside down with the buttons facing us, what I'm going to do is push those two same buttons down that we did to get the emergency key out. So push those down and hold them down. And then I'm going to take my screwdriver and get on this lip and use it just to pull up. And that battery tray will come out of there like that. Go ahead and pull the old battery out. We'll grab the new one, and we want the new battery to be sitting with the plus side down on the battery tray like that. So get that snapped into place. And then if we're holding it looking at the buttons, it'll go in like this. So slide it in, and then you'll need to press these buttons down again to get it all the way slid in there. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.